Hello, everyone. Hi, I will not lie to you. I'm going to stand up a little bit to talk about this. A lot of people had dreams where their friend took away their husband. And your friend take away your husband. It's a dream. And that same friend is very close to you. Child of God, you need to do something. God is showing you something that will happen either in future or already happening. Be wise. You will now say, no, you trust your husband. I trust my friend. I did this. Is God foolish? Dreams are revelations, just like I told you. Dreams are revelations. No matter how small you think that dream is powerful. Child of God, what are your dreams? Narrate your dreams. I want to know your dreams. Is this dreams a good one? Is it the one that you fast and pray? Is it the one you wake up in the midnight and pray? Is it the one you pray every day? Is it the one that you will not even sit down? You have to stand up and begin to pray because of that dream. You saw your husband in the dream. And you are there crying. People are saying sorry to you. Child of God, rise up. There is trouble. First of all, when you get up, do you know what you are going to do? When you see your husband in the dream, bring out his picture. Put his picture on the ground. Bring out the Psalms of the Bible. Put it down. Begin to pray. What kind of prayer do you want to pray? Father, first of all, thank God for giving you a husband. Thank God for making it possible for him to be alive up till this time. Now, ask God for mercy. Is there any way this man is not doing it right? Is there any way that this man has offended God? Come, no, don't take it as a joke. Prayer of mercy is a powerful prayer. Prayer of mercy brings people back to life. Then what do? Go closer to your mirror. Naked yourself. Begin to pray. Say, God, as I naked myself to pray for my Oga, to pray for my husband today, concerning this dream. Why? I will not put on clothes. I need you to put me clothes. Raise him up. Raise him up. Raise him up. Call his name and call him to rise up. You will see that dream will be answered. Someone is taking away your husband and you are still sleeping every day. Let me tell you, there are some people that doesn't even want to do some bad thing. But because devil want to use them, rise up and pray and say, God, sweetness, let my sweetness come up. Let my husband view my sweetness. I pray and I bring him close. View it as if your husband is with you. Pray this prayer every day for 90 days without stop. Midnight, day, night. Every 2 hours, you will come back to thank me later. Somebody taking away your husband, sometime is not that person. Enemy is using it as an agent. Rise up and pray. Whatever that is yours and someone is taking it away, I'm begging you to rise up today. Rise up today. Dreams are powerful. God who revealed this thing to you is not foolish. God who revealed this thing to you is capable of delivering you. He can deliver you. And that is the reason why he did it. He can deliver you. That's the reason why he did it. Thank you.